Welcome back to the Healthy Lemon. We are getting excited for fall and for Halloween over here, so we have got a Halloween themed stuffed pepper. These would make the perfect appetizer for a Halloween party, or if you're just looking to mix it up and have a little fun drink dinner. These are quick and easy to make, and they taste delicious. You'll start by carving any sort of face that you'd like into your stuffed pepper. Once you do that, you'll place it in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. I then cooked ground beef, I sauteed onions, and I took corn, cheese, black beans, and white rice, and I used that to load up my peppers. Only thing I recommend is starting with the cheese and also ending with the cheese just to try to hold everything in place. Once you stuff your peppers as full as you can, place them back into the oven for another 10 minutes. Let all of the cheese and everything melt together, and that's it. Super easy. You can add any other ingredients that you'd like in there. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our healthy meal idea recipes in under 3 minutes. If you end up giving this meal a try, leave a comment, let me know how it turns out, and let me know what other ingredients you decided to add to your stuffed peppers.